Alexandra here, aka the not so evil stepmother, and I'm super excited today, if you can't tell, because we finally found out the gender of the baby. So if you're interested to know about that, make sure you stay tuned because I will be doing a gender reveal later. But if not, let's move on with today's video, which is gonna be our Sephora Play unboxing. So if you don't know anything about Sephora Play, it's kind of like Ipsy. You get like 5 to 6 sample travel size items in a cute little drawstring bag. Although I will say in both Ipsy and Sephora Play, I have gotten a few full size items, but it's $10 a month. The main difference between Ipsy and Sephora Play is Ipsy features more like vegan and indie brands, whereas Sephora Play features more brands like you would find at like Sephora or Ulta or Macy's, stuff like that. Department store stuff. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, without further ado, let's cut on into this bad boy. So I have no affiliation with Sephora. I do shop there a lot and I do pay for these subscriptions. And I have no stinking, I needed like a box cutter bag, you know. I have like no stinking idea what is in this puppy because I really don't have time to watch spoilers. So, this is, oh wow. So no cute little drawstring bag this time. I kind of look like a liar now. This is new, this is different. So normally, obviously, just like in most subscription unboxings and boxes, there is like a little pamphlet inside and it tells you all about the products, which I'm not gonna open because again, we want it to be a surprise, but it does come with a 50 Play Beauty Insider Points Sephora Play Point card inside. So if you are like me and you shop at Sephora a lot, you can, you know, add those on to your little Sephora Play Points and get you something cute and special. You know what I'm saying. Anyways, yeah, so back to this bag. First off, like it's cut. I don't know what happened here. Opens bag, pours out samples, high five self. Hashtag Sephora Play. So that's different. They normally don't do this. So this is different. Like this is, I'm kind of, I don't know, a little blown away by that. And it's like a little Ziploc plasticky bag. Okay, so I'm gonna reach my hand in here and pull out the first thing. So almost every month I get a perfume sample, which is insane because like my smell right now, I can't handle perfumes, but we'll maybe give it a little squirt anyways, you know, just for. Well, this one's not actually that strong, so I'll maybe do a little squirt on the back of my hand. Whew. Okay, yeah, that I can smell. Whoo, yeah, that's gotta cool down a minute. Woo, okay, we'll check back on that. All right, the next thing is a Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. So this is new. I have never gotten this before in my bag, and I've actually never used this before. I have used other primers, but not Too Faced. So this is proactive and nourishing with coconut water, probiotic-based ingredient, and skin revivers, silicone-free. So this is kind of nice and something new. And that's the one thing I like about Sephora Play is, you know, you can try out different products to see if you kind of like them before you, you know, spend the money and buy them. You know what I'm saying? Okay, what is the next thing? Okay, this is interesting. Boschia, I don't know. I'm like probably butchering that. So cactus water hydrating cream. So I'm sorry, my light is like super bright today and this writing on here is like really, really white. So let's see. Oh, wow. Y'all see that? It's like a gel, like literally like cactus, like something you would find in a cactus. Just little dab there. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, wow. It's kind of like if you guys ever like broke open like an aloe vera, you know, and the little stuff, it's like literally the consistency of that, like no joke. All I can smell right now is that perfume. And like I sprayed it on this hand, but I think I got it everywhere. Yeah, all I can smell is that perfume, so sorry, I can't tell you if this has a smell. I really don't think it does. No, it really, I just got it on my lip. God, I am a hot mess today. Can you guys tell? So it actually kind of smells like what you would find on the inside of an aloe vera thing too. So that's weird. All right, so let's move on. This is Makeup Forever Professional Paris Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 25. So skin protector. It's like, so it's basically like a sunscreen. Yeah, it's like a sunscreen, literally. This is like a sunscreen, but it's like got a tint to it. It's weird. Okay, so I think that's dry. Yep, that's dry. Ooh, that's soft. My hand's soft now. So that's kind of nice. That's nice. Can I get this open? Good Lord. I'm having issues today, y'all. So it's almost kind of like a CC cream. Like, I don't know if you guys have ever, like, like IT Cosmetics color correcting. It's kind of like that. Like, it's got, you know, like a little bit of a color to it, but it's also got like a sunscreen, and it you know, it's got like a little bit of coverage there. Huh. Wow, that's interesting. All right, this bag has been pretty interesting so far. I have to say, I'm not complaining. All right, moving on. Ooh, Peter Thomas Roth Clinical Skincare Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rich Atomic Heat Mask. An atomic flash of water-activated heat nourishes and restores for smoother, younger, healthier looking skin. So I'm not gonna put this on the back of my hand because it heats up. So yeah, directions: apply general leave on for up to 3 minutes, wet fingertips with cool water and massage to activate, and then rinse. That's weird. It's about the weirdest instructions I have ever seen. I wonder if this has got a smell to it. I don't know. Oh, it's got a little seal. Oh well, it's heat activated. I don't really want to mess with it right now. I'm scared of heat activated things. All right, this is the last but not least. So hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 6 items. Yeah, so it's Sephora Play, I think, normally has like 5 to 6 items, as I said, and one of them is normally like a perfume sample or like a Sephora sample or something like that. So today we have the Sephora Lash Craft. So we got both. We got a perfume and a Sephora big volume mascara. So I've never used a Sephora mascara before, so this is gonna be very interesting. I've got like so many mascaras though, you guys. Like, it is really cute little bottle though, and that's a pretty good sample size. Like, normally when they send mascaras, they're like that big, you know, but this is pretty good. This is like a travel instead of like a sample size. So there you guys go in that, and of course it is in black. Alrighty, so that's what we got today so far in our Sephora Play unboxing, which was more than interesting because we don't have our little drawstring bag, and actually I kind of like the perfume. It's just, you know, use it sparingly. And by the way, that was the Nomad Chloe, just so you guys can see. But it actually smells pretty good. It's a little musky, got like a little musk thing to it, but it smells pretty good. It's just use it sparingly. All right, so that's all I've got for our Sephora Play unboxing today. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let's talk about this gender reveal. All right, so for those of you guys that are not following me on Instagram, because if you are following me on the Instagram, you already know what I'm having because I posted this little clip on my Instagram page. If not, here you go. Alright guys, so as you saw, we're having a boy. I'm kind of excited, but it's kind of a little bittersweet at the same time because it's like, I'm excited to have a boy because I don't have a boy. You know, I have my stepson Noah, but I don't have my own boy. But at the same time, it's like all my mother-daughter facial days and all that kind of stuff is gonna end with Cadence, which is kind of sad to me. I think she's secretly happy about it though. But it is what it is. I think Steve and I both feel the same way, which is we really don't care as long as the baby is happy and healthy, because at the end of the day, that is really all that matters. So you know what I'm saying. Y'all know what I'm saying. All right, so if you guys don't know, we have 2 giveaways going on this channel right now. And for those of you guys that have been around for a while, you know I hide them in a video because I want them to be for my loyal subscribers. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you get to catching up on some videos. Also, I do have a giveaway going on my Instagram channel right now, which I will link below. However, it does end tonight at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you have not got a chance to enter in that, make sure you do so quickly. And if you have entered, good luck. And tomorrow, there is going to be a very, very special video posted for you guys of a box that I kind of curated myself. So it's really exciting. I'm really excited to share it with you guys. So make sure you definitely check that out. And I love you guys so, so much. And I hope everybody has an awesome night tonight.